The next dance which we'd like to show you is Saunter Reve. Now we commence in ordinary ballroom hold facing the line of dance. We start with 2 walks and half of a reverse box. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. We're now going to chassis forward side close, turning into promenade, boy facing centre, lady facing wall. Slow, quick, quick. Moving down the room, forward, forward and close, lady turning in to shadow hold. Slow, quick, quick. Shadow hold is when we're side by side, left hands joined together and right hand around the lady's waist. We're now going to move diag to the wall, 2 walks and a lockstep backwards. Left, right, and left, right, left, and close together, having turned to face the line of dance. We repeat the walks and the lockstep back, but this time moving diag to the centre. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Lady and gent still dancing on the left foot. We're going to walk down the line of dance, 2 walks, and the boy will swivel to face wall and partner. Lady will walk and do a toe pivot to face centre and partner. Slow, quick, quick. And we will adopt double hold. We're now going to the sway to the left and to the right. That's gentleman's left, lady's right. Sway and sway, man to the right, lady to the left. We chassis along the line of dance, quick, quick, slow with a little sway to the left, and chassis back against the line of dance and adopting promenade position at the end of the chassis. Quick, quick, slow. We have 2 walks and a promenade turn to finish facing the line of dance with the lady in line. Slow, 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 slow. We chassis to the centre, gentleman left, lady right. Quick, quick, slow, with a little sway, man to the right, lady left. And chassis back to the wall, quick, quick, slow. And that's the end of the dance, and we're ready to start the next sequence. And now we've been through the steps of Saunter Reve. We'd like to dance it for you, and I shall count it in rhythm. So commencing facing line of dance again, we have 2 walks now, half of the reverse box, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, low, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
So we're going to move on and do the melody foxtrot now, which is another little popular dance. And we're going to commence with gentleman on his left foot, lady on her right foot, and you're in ballroom hold with the gent facing the line of dance. We're going to dance a little box. Forward, side, close, back, side, close. We're now going to dance a walk into a little lunge, which has a little plie action where you gently bend the knee. Now we have a twinkle, which is back together and then into a little lockstep forward cross, changing feet as you close together. Step together, step, cross. We now repeat the box, the twinkle and the lock. We will end in double hold. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, walk, plie, step together, step, cross. We're now going to dance gentleman on his left foot, lady on her right foot, a walk into a little check. Walk, check. Now we're going to turn to face the other way, the gentleman dancing back together forward, while the lady dances forward, side, back. Turn, 2, 3. We're now going to repeat the walk and the check, walk, check, and repeat the turn with the gent dancing back together forward, the lady dancing forward, side, back, and she will end in front of the man. Quick, quick, slow. And as you can see, we've adopted our ballroom hold. Moving down the line of dance now, gentleman on his left foot, we're going to dance 2 walks forward and a 3-step backwards, closing together at the end. Walk, walk, back, 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 close. Repeating the 2 walks, gentleman left, lady right. We're going to walk forward, walk forward. Now we're going to run forward and a side close to the centre. Run, run, side, close. So as that was quite a quick dance for you to learn, we're just going to go through it now and put the whole 16 bars together. So gentleman on the left, lady on the right, we've got box, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, walk, lunge, twinkle and the lock. Step, box, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, walk, lunge, twinkle, moving to double hold, the walk, the check, the turn to face the other way. Walk, check, turn to face the other way, adopt ballroom hold, walk 2, run back 3, change feet, and walk, run, and into side close.